All right, here we go. Friday morning. Get this day started. Get a cup of coffee. Get a workout in. Get ready for the open. Couple videos to film over a tasty trade today. Big day. What do we got shaking in the market? Weakness yet again. 3 days in a row. Dow's down. S&P's down. But we've seen that, like I said, 3 days in a row. Weakness in the morning, strength in the afternoon. We'll see what shakes out today. A couple more earnings due out today. We're rounding out earnings season. Dollar higher yet again. Seeing the dollar just push its way through some key levels. Euro dollar, pound, dollar CAD, Aussie dollar getting crushed lately. Big movement this week in oil. We're at about a 12-month low in oil, $63 a barrel in WTI. So there's a lot of price action out there. There's a lot to trade, a lot of opportunity. Let's get in there today. Let's have some fun. Finish the week strong. I'll see you folks again on Monday. All right.